Hold them, Elaine. Hold them, Welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please, and let's get right into this one. If you follow SouFLoTV all the time, then you know that my favorite athlete as far as women is actually Elaine Thompson Herah. I just always root for her, and I just love her style and everything about her as far as, may I say, dominating the game. Coming from underdog to the greatest or one of the greatest is just a beautiful journey to witness. Now, this track season, Elaine didn't do too good because she was nursing injuries and she wasn't talking about the injuries she was nursing, so most people just figured all kinds of other stuff. There are rumors out there, oh, she's not running fast anymore because she left the coach that she was with. And now her husband is coaching her and he's not qualified. Other people are talk all kind of things and a bag of other things are going. But really and truly, she's still stepping forward and doing great things. The fastest woman alive. Shout out to Jamaica Observer for this one. The fastest woman alive, by her own lofty standards, has stuttered over her last few races, with her World Cup 100-meter bronze being followed by a surprising 7th place finish in the 200 meters and a less than impressive leg in the Jamaica 4x100 meter silver medal run. That at the World Championships was supposed to be a gold for Jamaica. It turned into a silver. A couple of things went wrong. One of the things went wrong is who they said started the race, who should not have started the race. And another thing that people are pointing out is that Elaine wasn't in top form running in this. However, she did run. We still got silver. But with standards high, because we are Jamaicans. So the goal was what we were supposed to get. Actually, foreign media predicted that it would have been a gold for Jamaica. So you must know, when the Americans them say, we already know Jamaica about to take gold in this, and then we didn't, it was a big disappointment, not only to fans on the outside looking in, but to those on the inside doing the work and not accomplishing the goal. See? Gold, literally.
Alright guys, so we're good to go. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen.
Alright guys, let's take a minute to acknowledge this channel right here. A professional chef, also a member of the USPCA. That's the United States Personal Chef Association.
Oh my
Chef
God.
Keegan. Keegan's Kitchen is the channel's name. I want
So
you to
good.
go over there and subscribe to that channel and help that brother to get his channel to grow. He is certified in what he does. He is a professional personal chef. And good God, his food shows it. His preparation style shows it. Don't take my word for it. Head on over to Keegan's Kitchen. Hit that subscribe button. Tell him SouFLoTV sent you. Back to our regular scheduled program at hand. Winning gold at the Commonwealth Games may not carry the same gloss as the heights of the World Championships or the Olympics, which she dominated, by the way, in 2021 with 3 gold medals. 3 gold medals. People forget so fast. But for her, Elaine Thompson Herah, her success in Birmingham this year was a statement of resilience and a reminder that she still has the appetite and class to fight her way back to the top all the time. So, yeah, this isn't one of those big old glossy races and everybody is not tuned in. It doesn't get all the media channels like, say, the Olympics. When the Olympics is on, it's on TV and it's in front of everybody's face on almost every channel. That wasn't this kind of games, but this was still a big game. The Commonwealth Games is huge. It's still the best athletes from around the world gathering to participate to prove their dominance, win gold, and win some cash prizes and all these other things as well. Elaine didn't get gold in the World Championships, which, by the way, created history by being the first time it was held on American soil, and it was held in Oregon in the United States. She didn't get gold there, but she captured gold in the Commonwealth Games. I think this motivates me a lot to get better and better. This season has been a learning process for me. I've learned so much and I'm just really happy, said a beaming Thompson Herah. And we want to see her happy, you know what I mean? Because after watching her throughout the season and then watching her come not first, second, but third in one of the biggest races ever, even though she still medaled, it was like, wow. And I know for her, it must have been even a bigger blow. Not so much to her ego, but so much to the fact that it's humbling to say you're human. So you performed good just a couple of months ago. You performed good at the Olympics. You broke world record. You set record. And now you are paces behind and others are leading, not only in first place or second place, you're back in somewhere in the third. It humbles you. It sends you back to the drawing board. On top of that, it lets you know that, man, you're human. You have a body. And your body can break down with all this rigorous stuff, trading and running that you're doing. And I love the fact that Elaine is resilient and she is not giving up, or she is not walking around with her back hunched and her head held down and she's looking at the floor. She went right on into it and captured the Commonwealth gold. I think this motivates me a lot to get better and better. This season has been a learning process for me. I've learned so much and I'm just really happy. My emotions right now, I would say it's a relief, because when you think about running at a championship and to come back and run at another championship, that takes a lot out of you to come back here and win a title. I am super grateful, but it's a relief at the same time. And I have to give God thanks that I crossed the line healthy. I have to give God thanks that I crossed the line healthy. I love the line there. Giving God thanks in all things. Not true? Alright, but she says she has to give God thanks because she crossed the line healthy. And if you look at her, even now that she won this particular race, she, in the Commonwealth 100 meters, she still looked like she was running hurt. She still looked like, if I'll go faster, I'm going to tear up some muscles and hurt myself. She was running cautious, and anybody who is a fan of Elaine could look at her and tell she is not in 100% top form. So to not be in 100% top form, still go out there and capture the gold in the Commonwealth Games, then that's a huge accomplishment. So shout out to Elaine for that. Those who follow her also know that she just signed a massive mega deal with Puma. She is no longer a Nike representative, even though you might see it on her uniform or stuff time to time. But the feet are reserved on athletes for their sponsors. Not for the people that sponsor the team, but for the people that are her sponsors. So you will see Puma on her feet from now on. It is also said that she has her own shoes coming, which is huge, right? Usain Bolt had his own Spikes running shoes, and now Elaine is about to get her own, or so the rumor says. My emotions right now, I would say it's relief, meaning she's relieved to be out of the season, win a national title, gold in it, and now she probably can go relax a little bit, be with her husband, be wifey, chill out for a minute before it's back to training again. Or maybe she's still on the circuit running. Thompson Herah left the blocks in a hurry, but did not show her usual mid-race pulling away power, and we could all see it, leaving her to really push at the end to secure her final individual medal at the Commonwealth Games, clocking at 10.95 seconds and holding off St. Lucia's Julian Alfred, who came in at 11.01 seconds, and England's late charging Daryl Nater, who came in at 11.07 seconds. Natalia White was 8th in the race, 11.32 seconds. It was Jamaica's second medal of the day after Danielle Thompson-Dodd was posted 18.98 millimeters, was faced and settled for silver in the women's shot put finals, losing the gold medal in the final round when Canada's Sarah Mitten, 1903 meters, promoted herself to the gold medal. Okay, off into something else. But shout out to Elaine. Big up Elaine Thompson Herah. She's still one of our heroes. She, in this particular track season at the World Championships, she didn't pull out all the stops that she needed to. We all know why now. but her resilience still shows because she went on to the Commonwealth and captured that gold. Now, some people are going to say, SouFlo, you know that Shelly Ann was supposed to be there, right? But she had the option to withdraw, and she did. Had Shelly Ann been there, Elaine would not have won that race because Elaine just won that race with a 10.98 and Shelly Ann 10.95, and Shelly Ann would have ran, is it 10.95, 10.98, something like that she ran. Elaine, Thompson Herah left the blocks and secured her first individual medal of the Commonwealth Games, clocking a 10.95. So it was 10.95. Had Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce been in that race, or even Shericka Jackson, I don't think Elaine would have gotten gold either. And I'm not going to be biased because it's my favorite artist. I'm just artist. Hear me about artists. I'm not going to be biased because it's my favorite female athlete. But factually speaking, those two are in top shape right now, running at full capacity, and Elaine is not. So for them to not be there, even Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce, for Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce to not be there, it gave Elaine the way to the goal. But I'm not going to say that to take away from what she actually did. Shelly Ann chose to step out. She did. She probably needs some rest. She's tired. At the end of the world championships, she actually said it, that her legs feel a certain kind of way, like lead. She legged them heavy. Her legs are heavy. She want to go rest. So she took the time out. And when she took the time out, then again, let's say this. Even if they are at top capacity running and Elaine is not, Elaine is still not the person to underrate. Oh, she run injured, so I can beat her. No. If she muscle up enough, she's going to beat you because she is just that fast. Not true? All right. Shout out again to my favorite female athlete, Elaine Thompson Herah. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. Are you a track and field junkie, or are you just into when time the Jamaican female and man them run? And that's the only time you pay attention to track and field. Talk up. Catch you on the next video with SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace.
Alright guys, so we're good to go. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen.
Alright guys, let's take a minute to acknowledge this channel right here. A professional chef, also a member of the USPCA. That's the United States Personal Chef Association. Chef
God.
Keegan. Keegan's Kitchen is the channel's name. I want you to go over there and subscribe to that channel and help that brother to get his channel to grow. He is certified in what he does. He is a professional personal chef. And good God, his food shows it. His preparation style shows it. Don't take my word for it. Head on over to Keegan's Kitchen. Hit that subscribe button. Tell him SouFLoTV sent you. Back to our regular scheduled program at hand.